Hi everyone, Dr. 𝐻𝐸, I'm here to show you how we adjust patients who come into our office with heartburns or severe heartburns. Now heartburn is, we have that's almost stabbing, that burning feeling in there. Now it happens because there's spasms in the sphincter or the muscles at the opening of the stomach. Now that muscle is supplied by certain nerves. Those nerves are coming from our brainstem. Now the most important one is actually our vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is called the wandering nerve. It's one of the longest nerves in our body, and it comes from the upper cervical actually. It comes in and then it goes all the way down to our stomach and all the way down to our gut. Now that vagus nerve is part of our by a set of nerves that are called the parasympathetic, or rest, digest, relax. Now if we're stressed, the complete opposite of those nerves is the fight or flight. So that's when that kicks in, and then those muscles don't function as well because they're not getting the proper supply from the nerve. Now, one way to see exactly where that misalignment is by doing the nerve scans and doing X-rays to find exactly where those misalignment is in the upper cervical. Once we get that corrected, now we'll notice a lot of our patients who will have their symptoms will start to calm down almost instantly. Now I'm going to show you exactly how we adjust that the upper cervical neck and help activate those parasympathetics. Now we'll have the patients lay on their back actually, and then where the upper cervical and the vagus nerve is actually coming from this part right here. So when we feel the occiput right here, okay, and then the C1 is actually right there. So this area right here is the area that needs adjusted. Now I'm gonna assess right here, and we can definitely see that his left side actually goes a lot more than his right side. Now we're going to adjust right. Beautiful. See? Wonderful, wonderful range of motion. Okay, great. And that is one of the ways that we adjust patients with heartburns. All right, bud.